Ah. So,
So,
naka-add siya ng value do'n sa
oh,
alam mo na?
usually kasi yung alam na pinapalabas ng mga manifesting, mga ganyan-ganyan, malayo yun, eh. Hindi yun yung gano'n, eh. Oo, actually everyday naman tayo
But
nagma-manifest,
what
'di
about
ba?
you then? So, parang ano yung role mo do'n for me to
Ah,
be able to manifest
second to the
this?
motion na when you're manifesting, the divine timing will come. 'Di ba? May mga decisions in life, we have decisions in life that we have to uh stand on it even if we are really hurt just to move forward, right? Because
Yeah.
sometimes that's the only way for us to recover and to learn and to realign. That's what I did.
Oh,
When
wow.
money comes, it will, money is an amplifier, for me. It will reveal whether you are greedy, whether you are kind,
Oh.
whether so it will
Eh,
reveal the true self of a person when money is involved. So
oh
this
my
is what
God. Ah,
yes.
'di ba? Good morning, good morning.
Tayo diyan. Ganun eh, no?
Mm. Kumusta yung ano, how was your week? You just finished yung ano mo, 'di ba? Yung course mo na ano
Manifesting
ba
ba?
yung course mo?
Ano yun eh, about mga how you manifest,
Ah, yung manifesting. Okay.
Oo, ano yan, why, how, and specific about manifesting. What do you really want? Mga gano'n.
Ah. So,
So,
naka-add siya ng value do'n sa alam mo na?
usually kasi yung alam na pinapalabas ng mga manifesting, mga ganyan-ganyan, malayo yun, eh. Hindi yun yung gano'n, eh. Oh, actually everyday naman tayo nagma-manifest, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Everyday
Mm.
tayo nagma-manifest, eh. Ang ano lang dun is like kunyari, yung kakainin nga natin yung mina-manifest natin, iniisip natin 'di ba gabi pa lang ano kaya that's one form of manifestation,
Yeah.
which is very ano, common yan sa atin, ang bilis natin mag-manifest, 'di ba? 'Pag sinabing, "Ay gusto ko magpa-deliver ng Jollibee or kaya ng McDo or ng mga healthy food." Oh, 'di ba? One form of manifestation daw yun.
Yeah. Pero Roda, how can you explain it? Kasi I manifested this session with you, ha? So matagal na kitang isip na I'd like to talk to you, ganon, and exchange some ideas, brainstorm. And then, so I know that I manifested this. Yeah.
Mm.
But what about you then? So parang ano yung role mo doon for me to be
Ah,
able to manifest this?
the universe will intervene. That's what we call
Ah,
divine intervention. Okay.
okay.
Meron kasing divine timing. Okay.
Yeah.
When you manifest, there is second to the motion na when you're manifesting, the divine timing will come. Ito yung part na, 'di ba matagal mo na 'tong mina-manifest tapos every now and then may time na parang hindi uukol, it's not really the perfect time, may mga
Yeah.
gano'n.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tapos may time na kahit anong gawin mo na umiiwas ka na, although na-manifest mo siya, pero 'pag dun ka lagi dinadala, meaning yan na yung time ng divine timing na siya. Eto na yung time talaga. There is always the proper time for everyone. Kasi we do manifest every day, pero 'pag binigyan siya ng parang divine timing and divine intervention, that's the parang the sign na talagang eto na yung talagang momentum, mga gano'n.
So we don't often talk about the divine intervention, right? It's always like divine timing. And just correct me if I'm wrong, yeah. So when I think about divine timing, although they say divine timing is like when it's fated or when it's not, for me everything is as per the will of God. Yeah.
Oo,
And obviously we have a choice to say accept it or not. It's just it makes me feel peaceful actually when I say yes to life, like God, okay, I want to be an active participator rather than just feeling like I'm just a puppet and somebody's moving my life, alam mo yun. And then
oo.
at the same time there's this notion na yung divine timing, it's just at the time that you are manifesting whatever that you are want to manifest, like yung goal mo, completion of the goal, or hindi mo siya nakuha at that time na meron siyang timing, hindi siya para sa'yo, hindi siya divine timing. But isn't it that everything is as per divine timing?
Mm. When you, ito yung power ng isa, no? When you do manifestations,
Mm.
dapat you also do divine timing manifestations also. Na pag kailangan, when you ask for something, dapat you ask the universe or the higher source na this manifestation comes with my divine timing para hindi mahirapan. Kasi 'di ba sometimes we're manifesting something and then there's a struggle in the manifesting. The journey of going through manifesting of something, nahihirapan, there's a struggle. Because
Yes.
the divine timing is not yet kasunod. It's not yet on the second motion. Yun yung isang parang
Ah,
na na kaya natin chine-check what is the purpose of this manifestation? How is it
okay.
important to you? What is the intention of this manifestation? 'Di ba? Ang atin kasi is daily is we always manifest in our food. Kunyari, anong ulamin natin mamaya, 'di ba? Anong intention?
Yeah.
To feed your physical body. That's the intention of it. Pero wala yang 'di ba, walang effort. Walang effort 'yan pag nag-manifest ka, 'di ba?
Yeah. Yeah. You only send out the desire and then, it
Yes.
just happens.
So, one form din 'yan na pag nag-manifest tayo, kapag nagkaroon ng efforts, that's the time nahihirapan. We struggle. When you feel that when you're manifesting something and you believe that it's lacking, yun yung
Mm.
parang abundance, 'di ba? Like tayo, 'di ba? Ang pinakasimple nga diyan is when you wanted to eat something, eh. 'Di ba?
Are you hungry, Rhoda? You
Teka,
keep on talking
babalik ko
about
lang.
food.
Kasi ito yung pinakamadaling manifestation. 'Di ba when
Okay.
kunyari, I wanted to have a healthy meal tomorrow. Hindi mo iniisip na mahirap kuhanin yung healthy meal na yun kasi marami kang ma-o-orderan, marami kang mabibilhan. Yun yung pinaka-gist doon na there is more than enough for everyone kapag nag-manifest ka. Pero ang kaibahan kasi ng ibang tao kapag gusto niya mag-manifest ng malaking bahay. Pag binanifest niya yung malaking bahay, I wanted to have a big house.
Yeah.
So, ang iniisip niya, kaya niya minamanifest yun kasi wala siyang malaking bahay. At minsan, para magkaroon ng malaking bahay, kailangan mong magkaroon ng maraming pera. So,
Mm.
kita mo yung kaibahan ng pagmamanifest ng napakadali na gusto mo lang kumain ng healthy meal sa malaking bahay. So, pag ang weighing nun is very light and different. Yung very light lang kasi pag magmamanifest ka ng healthy food, eh. Pag bahay, sobrang parang laki, di ba? So, it
Mm.
counts kasi how you manifest. It counts.
Oh, I always hear that, we should leave the how. Or is it probably because the how that I'm probably referring to is the how, is the process of how is it gonna be manifested? So that is
Yes.
something that we leave to the divine, di ba? Pero
Yes.
how are you manifesting is, paano nga ba? How do you manifest then?
When you manifest something, as what I've learned, when you manifest something, of course you have to know what's really that you want or need. And sometimes you have after that what you want, what is the intention of that manifestation? Ano yung intention? That plays a big role.
Does that intention has to be like for the common good, or is it like only will benefit me and it's gonna make me happy? So let's say I want a huge house for myself and I want it to be a private house and just for my purpose. It's
And
not gonna serve the common good, but it's just for me.
ang manifestations kasi it's all about you. You can manifest only for yourself. You cannot manifest for your son, for your husband. You can pray for them, but you cannot manifest. You can give them job na ikaw magbibigay, but you cannot manifest them to have a job like this.
So
Okay?
what is a good intention then?
It depends on you how it will serve you.
Oh, okay.
Because it can serve you for a good or not so good one. Kasi manifestations comes in different forms, eh. Everything manifestations comes in a not so good one and a good one.
Okay, but isn't it like whatever thoughts that you hold as true in your mind, consciously and subconsciously, I know there's a lot of times hindi align yung conscious at saka subconscious mind, right? But so that's what I feel like, you manifest based on what's there in your subconscious mind because it's 6,000 times more powerful than the conscious mind.
Oo,
So
yan.
whether the intention is good or not, you will manifest it, right? Because that's what you said, we're always manifesting.
What you believe, it will manifest to you. Kaya nga, some things, the manifestations comes, kunyari, you really wanted this thing to happen. And then, all of a sudden, talagang you're determined, specific ka na, you have the intention. But one time, you have a thought that this is gonna be like this. So, the reason why it's not happening is because of the thought, it's blocking it already.
And we have so many thoughts.
Yan yung isa na, di ba? Bakit, why most of our manifestations doesn't come through? Kasi one thing is, most of the people, they really don't know what they really want. They will ask for the money, and then the universe will not give you it. Kasi may example dyan, no? A lady, sabi niya, a lady manifested for a car kasi wala nga siyang car. Kasi isip lang niya, I want a car. The next day, she found the car in her, front yard. Hindi niya alam yung car na yun was stolen. Because she did not do it in a specific way. And she did kasi hindi rin niya finil how does it feels like to have a car? What are the na magkakaroon ng something about the car, mga ganyan. Alam mo yun?
Oh, okay. So you have to be very specific about what you're asking for.
Yan yung isang natin, natutunan ko when it comes to manifesting.
Okay. It's very interesting, huh? I feel like, I don't know, how willing are you to share this? Not sharing the whole course. I know it's part of your, syempre, pangkabuhayan showcase. Yeah, right. I understand that. But is there things like, that you can like give like simple tips for people to, yung parang start shifting? Maybe this is a good topic, huh? Like for me, like okay, yung like when I ask you about divine timing, not a lot of people know about it, right? And then how do you ask? How do you include divine timing in your manifestation? Do you actually say, I want divine timing to come into play?
Kasi your divine timing, you'll just have to pray for it or you'll just have to ask for it. Kasi malalaman mo whenever you have a yung manifestations mo will come if everything is in place. Napakadali. Alam mo yon? And no matter, kunyari, meron kang, kasi dalawang role ang divine timing. Ang divine timing kasi, even if you wanted to be on a different path, it will lead you on the same path. Okay? Like us, one of our divine timing, like you and me, is nasa corporate world tayo, right? We are in the corporate world. We didn't even know how we came into this, It's one of the divine timing was being in this situation, in this holistic healing,
Yeah.
So, we didn't know na ito yung gagawin natin. And a part of our healing is to improve ourselves and develop ourselves. And at the same time, we didn't know na ito pala yung one of our manifestation in life na gusto nating magkaroon ng peace, calm, and what we really wanted to do. And even if we wanted to apply in a corporate world, minsan pinabalik tayo, di ba? Na-feel mo ba yan? Ako na-feel ko yan.
Yes.
Kasi I really wanted to go back in a corporate world. Minsan, lalo na kapag halimbawa meron ng financial issues, mga ganyan-ganyan. Okay, kaya minsan gusto mo lang talaga may monthly.
Yes.
sinasabi ko, how am I going to go back to this? Na-start ko na to. And then,
Yeah.
there will be interviews, and all of a sudden, tinatanggihan ko na yung mga offer. Sabi ko, gusto ko mag-work, ba't tinatanggihan ko yung mga offer? Di ba? Yan yung one part of hindi ko malaman
Yung
bakit.
divine.
Yeah. Kasi yan
So,
may mga divine timing na minsan malayo siya sa manifestations mo. Pero pag iniisip mo, naka-attach pala ito dito. Parang may ganon. May ganon siya kasi isa yan sa parang a new chapter. Parang nasa first chapter tayo, second chapter. Si divine timing, siya yung mga chapter in life. Alam mo yung a new
oh,
happy ending, sad ending, tapos ganyan siya.
so there are chapters. So divine timing is not destination, right?
It's a destination at the same time it's a chapter of your life. Parang ganon. Yun ang parang sa akin parang
Yeah, yeah.
kasi we have so many divine timings. Okay? So when
Okay.
your divine timing is already done, you graduate. When I say graduate, you go to the other side.
Okay.
Yeah. Pero ang dilim ko talaga.
Yeah. I just
Diba?
remembered. I think I saw. I don't know. Was it a Netflix movie or something? I forgot the story, but they mentioned there that time is God actually,
Mm.
and I mean, we just say things. Parang we define, like when you mentioned about divine timing, there are chapters in life, and we have so many of these chapters, right? I mean, we can also call them a journey. It can be, I don't know, it's like it's so broad, and yet, I mean, I do understand your point, but it's so vast. But it's so vast, it's so deep and profound. Na I don't know how you can actually fathom the depthness of it, right? Kasi
Yeah.
what you're saying is like, yeah, there's divine timing for everything. So, and you mentioned also it can either be good or bad for us, right? And I don't like using that good or bad, but we live in this human environment on earth where we define things as good or bad. So it's okay,
Oo.
it's acceptable.
Ako kasi
Obviously.
not so good ang title ko dyan eh. Kasi, di ba, the
Yes.
not so good teaches us a lesson to move forward. Di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
For me, alam mo yung I read kay Neil Donald Walsh, Conversations with God.
Okay.
There is no right or wrong. There is no good or bad. Everything happens for a reason, and the not so good ones, it let you move forward. Parang you learn so many lessons from that. You're experiencing this because of of the not so good one.
Yeah. I was, yeah, thanks for sharing that. You know, I've been listening to a lot of spiritual gurus in India. Marami sila dun eh. Ramesh Balsekar. I even bought so many books. One of the teachings there, it's more like a belief, or they call it spiritual concept. Yeah, it's not an absolute truth, but if it resonates with you, yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
You follow it. So I resonated with quite a few, and one of those was there is no individual doer. There is everything that's happening is as per the will of God. We don't actually have our own will. We have free choice. So it shocked me. I was like, what is this? So how did they define it? It's like there's no individual doer, there's no individual author. The way I look at it is the way I understood is that God created this movie, right? And the movie is already completed. And he is in the starring role. He's the director, he's the scriptwriter. We are also gods, right? Because we play in this role. In fact, we get to play in all the roles.
Yeah.
And at the same time, so when there's no individual doer, it's like all the ideas, even the traumas that we go through in this life, they're programmed. They're like Even yung mga nudges, we are here now together talking about these things. It's because it's as per the will of God. If it doesn't happen, it's also as per the will of God.
Oh.
It's very, there's a thin line here kasi maraming mga tao na when they hear this, they don't do anything. It's as per the will of God. No, but God is not. Okay, so even that, I feel that it's also as per the will of God. Huh? Kasi I believe in like single standards. Huh? Like these are like principles, right? So if I believe in this one, ang sabi kasi niya, even yung mga nudges, the things that you don't like, people are drawn to spirituality. Yeah, kasi meron siyang nudges doon.
Mm-mm.
And that's like nudge of God. So,
Okay.
so hindi ka connected kay God, you wouldn't know. But what about those people na they don't know about God or they worship the sun and the moon? They have not heard about creator and this energy, but somehow they have their own beliefs. And yet things are happening in their lives. So does it mean that there's no God there? Hindi naman, diba? So for me, it was easier for me to understand that God is energy. Yeah. And even the religions that we have in our societies, they're also created by God. Yeah. So they're a manifestation of God. Now, we have our free choice. So free choice is that when I invited you, Rhoda, let's talk about these things, let's brainstorm. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
You had a choice to say yes or no. So when the Zoom started, you also had a choice to let's do it some other day, or I don't feel like doing it anymore. Yeah. So to that extent, we have a choice. Now, what happens when we actually do the act, right? When we make that choice already. So even not making a choice is also a choice. So what happens then? So as per this spiritual concept of there's no individual doer. So whatever happens then, whatever is the result of your choice is as per the will of God.
Oh.
So when I ask you, so I mean, and it's so parang so awesome, right? I mean, it's so deep because there's so many different factors that can influence one action.
Of course.
I asked you, you could have said no, but you said yes. Okay, and then this morning you could have also said no, I don't feel like it. Yeah. So okay, this is all like spiritual concepts from India, and I'm sure they're rooted from the universe as well. But coming from Theta Healing background, like I'm trying to to fit yung natutunan natin sa Theta Healing and all the modalities I have learned. How do I embrace this and where does it fit in? Although I truly believe that, because the different modalities we have learned, Rhoda, are just different manifestations of how we can connect to the creator,
Yes.
regardless of what we do. And this is like shocking also. Even shit is a manifestation of God. So everything plays a role because we all come because everything comes from God, right? So even the creations of the creation of God, they're also creation. They're also God.
And it's a creative energy, And there's a law of the universe where there's a law of free agency, law of free will, free agency that you have your own choice. You can do. Because for me, as what I understand,
Yeah.
a God will not, kunyari, the freedom to choose, free will.
Yeah.
We create
There's a free choice. So there's a free choice and there's a free will, right?
free agency, law of the free agency. Agency is you have a choice of your own. You can make your own.
Okay.
You can recreate, can go create, discreate, These are the things, And no, the thing is, for example, yung creative force and creative energy, it's like something like this, no? If you're given a choice, if the God said na ginagawa ng God lahat, God is doing it for you. Yung kaninang analogy mo, no? I'm gonna give you something. If God really chooses for you, how would it make you feel? For example, God is giving you an apple and an orange. You want an orange and God is insisting on apple. Hindi naman ganun si God, di ba? Kasi you will be given your own choice. Kaya nga there are so many people. Why so many people are poor? Why so many people are rich? Why is there a war? 'Di ba? If there's 'di ba sometimes people will ask, if there's really God, why does he allow to have a war? Why does he allow these people to be killed? If God is really the one who's doing a choice for people, 'di ba? Meaning it's all an experience na we are creating in this lifetime because we have a soul contract na to learn something in this lifetime. Kasi
Yeah.
so many modality right now. If you see it, I don't know. Um, that's why hindi ko siya, I really don't mix up theta healing in other modality kasi there are some modality who's teaching this and this and this, and then it will confuse your subconscious mind. And whatever you believe in, it's gonna be manifested outside your reality. Parang ganon.
Yeah, I've also heard na meron mga tao na they're programmed to find God through religion. And it's okay. That's why yung parang yung belief na there's no individual doer, and to an extent we have the free choice, but it's still the will of God kung ano mangyayari doon sa choice. I think the choice there is how do we respond to situations, diba? Like, okay, there's war, things happening to us, somebody cheated on us, so how do we respond to that? That's where the free choice is gonna come. But was it our will to get betrayed, to get cheated on? Hindi naman, di ba? But at the same time, theta healing and different modalities na they believe in the belief system. I mean, like in hypnotherapy, I know what belief systems are, yeah? And subconsciously, those are the experiences. So the belief systems are formed either through trauma or through conditioning. It doesn't have to be all trauma, by the way. Conditioning can also be limiting us. Kung ano yung nakita natin, diba? When we were children. So we hold that as true. And
Yeah.
as we get older, we realize it. I feel like yung mga knowledges ko, and for me, I'm very open na. I love it. I do love theta healing. I use it in all my sessions. In fact, when I do my sessions, so that I don't just do theta healing. I mean, I incorporate theta healing with all the different modalities. Sometimes what I've noticed also is there are courses that I attend, and
Yeah.
it amazes me that I already know those courses. I
Yeah.
didn't know that there were those courses, but it's just like I'm already practicing whatever they're teaching. When I attended Tasso is regression
Yeah.
level.
Because
So
yeah. Because
yeah.
you know what? Theta healing is there to help you remember who you are. That's
Yeah.
why most of the courses of theta healing, when you said, I know it already, at some point in your life, because we are old souls, we have been in this lifetime so many times, and then we're just activating who you are, to empower what your gift, what is your knowledge, and to help you remember what really are you capable of. you know this is one of my takeaway when I did this modality. I know the courses are so expensive, pero it enhances my intuitive ability, my, how you call it, imaginations. It enhances my the perspective in life. It improves how I see person, especially people who have a very, very negative energies. Kasi we will meet people na so ugly ang attitude niya. It's so ugly. That person is not having a bad, is not, I don't consider that person an ugly, ugly person. I consider the energy of that person is so ugly. When it comes to energy, yun eh. Kasi we were created from the source, di ba?
Yeah.
Down eh. And then it's just that siguro may soul contract ako doon. Whenever I'm getting a difficult person,
Yeah.
I always ask myself, what contract did I made to you? what are the lessons that I have to learn from you? What are you giving me? What are the things that I have to master from you?
Mm.
Energy, you know? Whenever I encounter people, I'm a teacher pero ano no, I'm being tested pa rin. I'm being tested. Grabe yung mga manipulative energy na encounter ko, yung mga people na
Mm.
mga ganyan. And yet, hindi ako sumusuko kasi I know na somewhere somehow this person I have encountered this person and maybe this person is giving me something to learn and to master my skills. Parang ganun.
So what is your take about those people then? Especially if they were like your friends and then you you have become aware of certain traits that you don't feel comfortable or they're not aligned to your, for example, they're so they're they have a trait of pessimism, yeah. And then they're loving as a person. So for me, the way I look at people is like their souls. Immediately their souls. And tendency ko naman, na nakakalimutan ko na, yes, meron silang tendency, yung traits na negativity. Not so good, yeah? Yung not so good trait, I tend to dismiss it and I tend to focus more on their kindness. Kaya naloloko ako. Yeah. In the end, nasasaktan ako. And then I'm like,
Oo.
and then ang sakit kasi parang, why? How can they do such thing, And kahit na it's a small part yung kindness nila, I focus on that kindness. Kasi siguro it's a religion that we've learned then na, we are all created in the image and likeness of God. And I did not know that God has got this element of not so good, right? Obviously, in the spirit world, we don't call it good or not so good. Everything is an experience. But
Yeah.
here in this human life, in this physical reality, hello, it's bad actually. Yeah,
Oo.
he hurt me. I got hurt.
True.
And you are not playing a victim, right? Truly, you felt hurt by their actions.
You know what? Ako,
Mm.
usually my takeaway whenever, like recently, no, we've had, I shared you about the rehabilitation center. We opened up rehabilitation center, no?
Yeah.
So these people came into my space. Meaning at that point in that moment, they are in align with my frequency and vibrations. That's why they entered in my
Mm.
okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So when they entered in my space, there was a voice behind my back that's saying, trust your intuition. Because I'm having doubts already, but I ignored. I was thinking they were aligned with me because they came to my space and my frequency and vibration. Obviously, I will not attract them if they are not in my frequency and vibration.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
That time. So these people were okay from the beginning, and then maybe at some point in time I attract something from them that made me, opened the lessons that I need to learn from these people. You know? So when it opened, the book of all the contracts from these soul people, it a voice again in my mind that stay focused. A voice and then I even asked myself, does this um is this what I'm creating? Is this in alignment with what I am creating in my life? I asked that question. And then when I saw the intentions of these people,
Yeah.
because our intentions as a holistic healer, as energy healer, as an advisor, as a mentor, our focus is to empower, give guide, and help them grow, And the intention when it was sent to me that it's all about materialism.
Oh.
It's all about money, and it's all about, I'm thinking, is this, I ask my question again to myself, does this, does this creation is aligned with my values? Because I'm creating something, right? And what am I creating right now? Does this intentions is still my intentions when I started this rehabilitation center?
Mm.
So when the voice came to me, that because I wanted to save, this, to save this company. And then one, I even asked other Theta healers to work on me, because I know somewhere, somehow I attracted this. It's not them. I'm the one who attracted this. So I even asked, because that's a good thing, no? Even if we are a teacher, even if we're a masters, we need someone to help us all.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
That's why we need to collaborate. We are in a collaboration mode, not in a competing mode.
Yes.
And then
Yeah.
I finally got, I finally get an answer, a clear answer of what really I wanted to do. And of course, if you put your heart and soul to that certain and a facility energy and the people, you'll be having some resentment, regret, so many grudges. I pulled those things kasi it really hurts it's on a deeper level of my soul. Eh. Yun yung pinaka
Oh.
mahirap when you're deciding for your self, kung ito ba. In a real talk, 'di ba? When we are in a real talk world, 'di ba? May mga decisions in life. We have decisions in life that we have to uh stand on it, even if we are really hurt, just to move forward, right? Because
Yeah.
sometimes that's the only way for us to recover and to learn and to realign. That's what I did.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So
And
what I see is like in all those times, see, I believe in energies, right?
yeah,
And
definitely.
we have specific vibrational frequency.
Yeah.
I know it changes as well. So when you attracted them, it's not like suddenly they change and the intentions are different. It's just that you did not see their real intentions, right?
Yeah, because everything is energy. We cannot destroy energy. We can only
Yes. So
transform
what?
it. But then when the money energy comes, because
Yeah.
money is not powerful. We give value, we give power to the money. But these people, when money comes, it will, money is an amplifier, for me. It will reveal whether you are greedy, whether you are kind,
Oh.
so it will
I-
reveal the true self of a person when money is involved. So
oh
this
my
was
God. I love that. So can you just repeat because it's so beautiful? Money is an amplifier.
an amplifier, a magnifier of your
Um,
heart's desire. When you are truly kind person, greedy, or a very helpful person, because it's so good when you have plenty of money. You know why? You can
of
help.
course.
You can help many people, and you can buy the things for you that can help many people, and at the same time, you can help yourself. Diba?
Yes.
We wanted this. Money is a form of energy for us because we are the one giving power to that money. If
Yeah, it's an energy.
other way around, because some people are having power trip, if they have the money, if they're entitled that they're powerful. But remember, it can flip also.
Yes, I know that. I have experienced that.
Yeah, kaya diba? It's so good. It's so
Yeah,
good
that
when I don't say na maganda yung experience ko, but then I a lot from that experience for just 6 months.
so Rhoda, so what was it that was inside of you that made you see? Because all the experiences that we go through, right? the soul contract is, so what is Theta Healing? Theta Healing is just to make you remember who you really are. So,
Yeah.
but at the same time, when we are going through experiences, there are some things that maybe it's not in alignment with our frequency. Or what was it that you discovered about yourself?
I discovered a lot when I became a Theta healer. The only thing that I wanted to do is to heal myself. Only heal myself.
Okay.
Gonna give you I went to the Theta healing session and Theta healing class because I'm having health issues. Okay, that's the only thing. But I don't have any intentions of sharing it with of
Yeah.
because my purpose is to heal myself. So when I came to that course, I discovered so many things about me, that I have this, I have that, I can understand difficult people, I can understand myself, I can understand every cell in my body, I can talk to my body, I
Yeah.
can even ask my thoughts go away, cancel, delete. If I have this not serving thoughts na medyo may gusto akong puntahan. For example, I wanted to go to this, and then that thought is saying, how can you go? You don't have that much money. Now I will just cancel it. Now I'll be having that. It's part of my manifestations. I learned so much about this, and then I learned also to accept my flaws. The importance of doing this modality, the theta healing, is you will learn to know yourself better. And you will know how to improve and let your best version come out, because when you love yourself, so much, you will not allow people to hurt yourself because you love yourself, and you will not hurt somebody because that person is also you, because everyone is a mirror of you.
Yeah.
And that's why when I encounter people who are hurting, meaning when I describe people who are hurting, people are the people who hurt you, because deep inside they are hurt. That's why they tend to release that hurt to hurt someone also.
No, you have a choice also, right? If you want to continue being in the energy of these
Yes.
people.
And I learned, but I don't tolerate it. I don't.
Okay.
I saw it. I saw when sometimes, I forget that, I'm falling into a victim role.
Yeah. It's so easy to get into that. No, 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 erase, cancel, delete. No,
We're only
but we're aware of it, right? When we enter into the drama triangle.
we're only human to feel each part of it. We are flesh and blood. That's why sometimes, I would tap my back. You're still a human and flesh.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
People tends to abuse and use a person if they're too kind and to you know but I pull cancel, delete that belief, kasi I download myself na sige, I will pull cancel, kasi I have the belief that if I'm going to be too kind, people will abuse me.
Mm.
So I ask creator to pull cancel, delete that, and then replace it with the feeling and belief that I know how it feels like to be kind and be safe when I'm kind, so that I will not attract people who's gonna abuse me or even betray me or something.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
this was my one of the learning I learned from that kindness.
Wow.
The word kindness, because I'm too kind.
Well, I think there's a reason why we we are in this together
Kind.
because of that kindness. And
Yeah,
then
and we
with the
tend to
kind,
wanted to help people always, di ba? And
yeah,
sometimes we forget about that. We also wanted to be given gift, to receive. We're
yeah,
not.
to receive.
That's the things that I'm learning in Theta, and I'm still learning a lot of things.
Yeah. So when are you going to so what are the courses that you are offering now? Because I know I took
I
two courses from you, right? That's the
have
advanced and the third
basic,
one.
yeah, the
Yeah.
basic DNA, Theta healing, basic and
Yeah.
advanced DNA, dig deeper. you and God, and then manifesting in abundance.
Wow. So you can teach these courses now.
Yeah, this 5. And then I don't know if I'm going to push my intuitive anatomy instructor.
Oh, yeah.
As a 15 days, the emotional um emotional um approach of how people get their own diseases, disorders, anything. It's an intuitive approach on our body, how it reflects how people get ill or how people feel stressed, what are the things that's happening to you, and then we will know why you attract it, you get it, something like that.
What are the prerequisites of that? Can I take it immediately, or I have to go through some more courses?
I think you can take it now. You have done 4, right? Ano,
No, you still have to give me the fourth one.
that you have done. Yeah, I think 4 kasi,
The
I
basic is four.
yeah, kasi I think they wanted for the UN God because every day for 15 days, you'll be having like 4 diggings in every day.
Oh,
It-
wow.
yeah. Every day is different symptoms. Like the first day is like microbes, the second day. So when there's a circulatory endocrine system, nervous lymphatic system, something like that.
Oh, okay, okay.
So many things. And I tell you, I have a lot of experience when I did the practitioners. And I ha- I'm gonna tell you one experience. First day of the intuitive anatomy. I was hesitant to do it because it's so expensive. Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know how am I able to pay for that course. It's it just happened na I'm in the class already. And then I remember I went the first day, and then I have a streptococcus. I'm having this fever, like flu-like symptoms, and then I didn't know that I have a bacterial infection on my throat. I didn't know
Okay.
that I have a,
Yeah.
and I even asked my teacher, I'm not feeling well. I have something in my throat, and it's our first day. Can I skip the class? You know, the teacher said, don't skip the class. Come, it will be okay. You know what's our topic? Microbacteria viruses. All about the throat and streptococcus.
Wow.
And then I told my teacher, what? Why did you? This is why I asked you to come, because you will be doing a digging session on why you are attracting this on the first day.
Yeah, why did you manifest that situation for yourself?
But it's good, it's good, it's good. Kasi every bacteria virus has its own emotions. Like
Yeah.
when a person catch some viruses, it's like worthiness issues. Are you worthy? And worthiness issues, trust issues.
Oh, rather the first time that a Theta healer teacher actually told me that, because I experienced COVID. Yeah, I actually attracted it. I wanted to have COVID at that time. Okay, not anymore, God, and thank you very much. So at that time, I said, how does one feel when they have this experience? And then
Mm.
I said, to be one with people, I attracted it. And then my teacher, Theta healer teacher, one before you, said, yeah, you have worthiness issues. But the way that she said it, it felt so hurtful. I was like, really? I don't feel worthy enough. I know
Oh,
it's one of the things that I've been working on, but I think the delivery of like, no, you're not worthy. You have worthiness issue. Like
okay.
it slapped me. No, I just wanted to share with you that when you say things, I don't feel offended. I don't, maybe because I have healed that part, that I'm like more open to people telling things, and maybe I already work on my worthiness issue. But you have this energy that when you speak, there's a lot of love and kindness from you.
I'm going to share when I did the first session, because I was panicking with my health issues. I have so much happening in my body. When I did
Okay.
my first session with a Theta Healer, I wanted to slap the Theta Healer, you know why?
Yeah. Okay.
Because I felt that she was telling me it's all my fault. You attracted it, you know? This
Okay.
this was my how do you call it? This was my feelings towards her. And then when I attend all the classes and then I finally met her in the intuitive anatomy, I understood and I understood
Yeah.
where she's coming
Yes,
from
it's a,
because you know it I'm the one who really attract it. What's happening to my body, my life, I'm creating it, you know. But at first when I saw her, when in my first data, I even regret paying her that much, you know. And and then
okay.
when I went to the class,
Yeah.
finally, you know, understand what really this course is. And I said, oh, it's all about me. Whatever is happening in my life, I'm creating it. Whatever is happening in my how you call it, whatever is happening in my circle, my space, I'm
Yeah.
creating. It's
In your
why
universe.
I don't know. And then when I saw her, you know what I told her? You know what? I resented you last time. But you know what? I'm thanking you. She said, why? Because you made me push to study this. Really? And then we hug each other, you know. But she didn't know that I was having that feeling to her.
Yes.
She,
Yeah.
yeah. And then I thank her because of that triggers me. You know, it triggered me to heal whatever, you know, that's not healed.
Yeah, because
So,
triggers are just invitation to know who we really are, right? And like if we have that mindset, we look at triggers are healthy because
and
it
I
just brings something about us.
course. And I remember when we're doing the digging sessions, remember? You were being triggered also.
I get triggered with all my teachers, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because there was wounding from teachers in one
Yeah.
of my past lives.
Same.
Somebody abused me as a master. Yeah.
Yeah, same.
So
Same here. That's why I know where you're coming from because I was you're being triggered, but I was laughing inside because I'm in her shoes last time, you know.
yeah, it's so funny, right? When we look at our people who we meet now, and when we healed already those woundings that people are now still experiencing,
Yeah.
we gain more compassion when we do that. That's the reason why I really like it that we are healing more and more, and we get to help people heal themselves as well, right?
Yeah, it's like learning grace because after you saw that person changing and you forgive yourself, forgive her for what things you learn how to what is grace, what's the meaning of grace, feeling, the feeling of
Yeah.
grace.
Yeah, I also have this experiences, had this experiences in the past, right? Where the teachers wouldn't pay attention to me, and I could feel like, did you not see me? I keep on talking. I keep on telling you. I raise my hand. I tell you, call me, call me, call me, and I would feel ignored and rejected. And yeah, I remember it was in family constellations. I think it was on second level. I
Mm-hmm.
cried after the class. It was 3 days. And then on the third day, it's night when we finished the course, I cried to the teacher. I said, you didn't see me. I called you. I was so mad, like rage. And then she told me that go back to hypnotherapy level, whatever. There you will learn how to heal the inner child. And I said, I don't like that course. I don't see anything. I don't feel anything. Go back there. You know what? So thankfully, I was triggered on that second level of family constellations. Because
Mm-hmm.
of that, I went back to hypnotherapy. And then I ended up loving the course. And this is like one of my main modalities as well. Yeah. Theta healing, hypnotherapy, and family constellations.
and
Plus
and
my
and
from Angelic Reiki as well. Yeah.
but it's nice, but it's nice when we did the family constellation when we had sessions, when you
Oh
did.
yeah, yeah. When we did the swap session.
There was a realization for me when you were doing some things in my family or in my circle.
Yeah.
And then now I get it why some things are happening. There's a certain part of the family constellation that ignites me. It's nice to have different. That's why I really
Yeah.
honor different kind of modality, because Viana said in our modality, you will be encountering with different kind of healers. And if you really want a healing center or a wellness center, you have to deal with different dealers. You have to know how to carry the energy, and you have to learn, because this is a part of who you are. And when I tried the family constellation, I said definitely it should be it should be experienced by many people, especially
Yeah.
those who are struggling also, that
At
they can
least
open
one
up.
session.
At the This is because some people cannot really open up on the first day.
Yeah. You know what I feel about family constellations is that although instant healing happens, right? We believe that in Theta healing. And it works true for everyone. For at the same time, what I feel about family constellations, it's actually the start. It's a good start
Mhm.
for healing journey. It sets the tone, and then it actually, even if it's just one, it continues to work on in this lifetime, in the next lifetime. And I've also found out in the last few months that it opens up also. It doesn't only heal this lifetime.
Yeah.
It heals also all the life.
And it is because I'm the person who constantly dream. I
Oh,
have
okay. Do you remember your dream after you wake up?
some of
I
them,
mean,
but
once you're awake.
some of them are not. But I do journaling. And I after the family constellations, the dreams that you tackle from ex-husband to my husband. I have constant dream of having so much ease and in peace whenever I dream of that.
Oh, wow.
It's a dream, yeah. That before, whenever I dream of someone, I usually argue. But right now we are in a constant communication, and I said, "What is happening?" And the first thing that came out to my mind when I opened my eyes is because of the family constellation that you did to me. That's the
Oh,
yeah.
thank you, Rhoda.
This was my
that
first.
that
Yeah,
that
this
means
was
a
my
lot.
first to do the family constellation. I have a friend, an Indian friend, but she was not able to do it to me. And then after you did that to me, whenever we have an encounter in the dream state, with my ex, before it was a chaotic one, but right now I was thinking, why all of a sudden he's being nice to me in my dream? And
Well,
when I wake up, I always think, oh, because of family constellation that you did. It's
you know,
uh,
when we do our even hypnotherapy, so I hypnotize people and just put them in a relaxed state, yeah. So they're awake, but they're in full control. What we actually call in the mind is their astral body, and
yeah.
when we dream, it's actually our astral body experiencing inside the dream. So
Yeah.
when you heal, the astral body carries those information and reflects that those things in your dream.
It's
Very
good.
powerful, huh?
It's good that we're doing different kinds of modality also. And I love collaborating with different
Yeah,
leaders.
talking about collaborations, so I'd like to yeah, creator, it's my desire to conduct family constellations. And so the thing about family constellation, it's a good start, right? It takes everything and then things start happening. Same time, there are clients, they're not able to take so much of those shifts, yeah, because things change for the everything is for the good. Same
Mm-mm.
time, sometimes people go through this severe healing crisis. So I
Yes.
feel that theta healing as a modality will help people a lot, when they start the healing already. It's either they start, I'm just saying that it's my idea, it's my desire that, let's come up with collaboration activities that I'll facilitate family consultations, and then you close it also, either after the sessions, do one theta healing meditation, group
Yeah.
healing,
We can
where
take
we calm, the balance all the energies, integrate all the healings, something like that. I think there's so much that we can do, right?
It is.
um,
It's gonna be lovely to everyone because it's a different form of discovering who they are, you know.
yeah. Hey, thanks a lot for your sharing, Rhoda. So our initial purpose was actually to talk about the collab, but it's really good to have understood a lot about your sharing about manifestations and